Hi everyone, this is Keene with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2019 Toyota Rav4 XLE. The 2019 Toyota Rav4 XLE takes up the power with a 203 horsepower, 2.5 liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine. You get all-wheel drive integrated management, you get multi-terrain select with mud and sand, rock and dirt, snow and normal modes, and you get up to 33 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have multi-LED headlights with chrome bezels and integrated fog lights. We have 17-inch 5-spoke silver alloy wheels. We have a power tilt-slide moonroof with one-touch open-close. We have 8.4 inches of ground clearance. We have up to 98 cubic feet of passenger space and up to over 69 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, we have a 7-inch touchscreen with Entune 3.0 audio, advanced voice recognition, and hands-free phone capability. You get Bluetooth wireless technology. You get Siri Eyes-free, Amazon Alexa, Apple CarPlay, and Scout GPS Link compatibility. You also get the integrated backup camera with your projected path. And don't forget to ask your dealer about the XLE convenience package, which gives you some upgraded multimedia features. The 2019 Toyota Rav4 XLE gives you Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some great safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist. You get dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, among many other features. So, if you're thinking about the 2019 Toyota Rav4, the XLE might be the best trim for you. So come on down for a test drive, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.